Tired of this message? Let's get your Uber Eats promo codes working. First, ensure you're entering the code precisely as it appears. Check for typos, extra spaces before or after the code, and even capitalization. Many codes are case sensitive, so discount 10 is different from discount 10. Next, verify the promo code's expiration date. Codes often have a limited time to be used, and if it's past that date, it simply won't apply. Some promo codes are only valid for specific restaurants or even specific menu items. Browse the app or check the terms and conditions of the promo for any restrictions on where you can use it. Also, be aware of minimum order requirements. Many discounts only kick in once you reach a certain spending threshold. Make sure your card total before any discounts meets this minimum. Occasionally, promo codes are limited to new users or first-time orders. If you've used Uber Eats before, this might be why your code isn't working. Some promotions are also tied to specific payment methods, so double-check if that applies. If you've tried everything else, try closing and reopening the Uber Eats app. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve temporary glitches. Then, re-enter the promo code carefully. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact Uber Eats support directly. They can investigate specific code issues and provide further assistance to help you save on your next meal.